Revive your hair, unveiling 5 vitamin deficiencies, repairing damaged ends, and restoring hair health. Welcome to Remedies, the channel that will help you transform your locks from dull and damaged to healthy and vibrant. In today's video, we'll unveil 5 vitamin deficiencies that can be visible in your hair, provide tips on repairing damaged ends, and restore your hair's health. Please remember that like and subscribe may look simple for you, but for us, it's very valuable, so thank you so much for your support. Did you know that deficiencies in vitamins A, B, C, D, and E can affect the overall health of your hair? If you notice your hair becoming dry, brittle, or thin, it could be a sign of one of these deficiencies. Pay attention to what your hair is telling you. Now, let's dive into each deficiency and how it affects your hair. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the production of sebum, an oily substance that moisturizes your scalp. A lack of vitamin A can lead to a dry, itchy scalp and hair breakage. Vitamin B deficiency can lead to weak and brittle hair. Biotin, a B vitamin, is essential for hair growth and strength. Incorporate foods like eggs, avocados, and almonds into your diet to ensure you're getting enough B vitamins. Vitamin C is important for the production of collagen, a protein that strengthens hair strands. Lack of vitamin C can result in hair that is weak and prone to breakage. Boost your intake of citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens to maintain healthy hair and scalp. Exposure to sunlight helps our bodies produce vitamin D. Without enough vitamin D, hair follicles can become dormant, leading to thinning hair and hair loss. Get your daily dose of sunlight or consider a vitamin D supplement to keep your hair follicles active. Lastly, vitamin E is an antioxidant that promotes hair growth and repair. If your hair is lacking shine and vitality, it could be a sign of a vitamin E deficiency. Include foods such as nuts, seeds, and spinach in your diet to nourish your hair from within. Now that you know the importance of these vitamins, let's move on to repairing damaged hair ends. Trimming regularly, using heat-protectant products, and avoiding excessive heat styling will help prevent split ends and breakage. To restore your hair's health, invest in a quality hair care routine. Use sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners, deep condition once a week, and incorporate hair masks or oils to rejuvenate and hydrate your hair. Here are some of the best foods that have vitamins A, B, C, D, and E. Vitamin A. Sweet potato, carrots, spinach, kale, collard greens, butternut squash, cantaloupe, mango, tuna, salmon, beef, and liver. Vitamin B. Lean meat, poultry, and fish, eggs, dairy products, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds, and leafy green vegetables. Vitamin C citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes, strawberries, berries, bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, dark leafy greens such as kale, mustard greens, and charred vitamin D fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel, eggs, fortified milk and yogurt, and some mushrooms, vitamin E almonds, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds, peanuts, avocados, wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, broccoli, spinach, and sweet potato. To get the most of these vitamins, it is important to eat a variety of foods from all food groups. You can also cook your food in healthy fats, such as olive oil or avocado oil, to help your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, and E. By eating a healthy diet that includes a variety of foods from all food groups, you can ensure that you are getting the vitamins and other nutrients that your body needs. Don't forget, also invest in a quality hair care routine. Use sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners, deep condition once a week, and incorporate hair masks or oils to rejuvenate and hydrate your hair. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope these tips on vitamin deficiencies, repairing damaged ends, and restoring hair health have been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks. See you in the next video.